nothing I can do would distract me when I think of how I shoot myself on the back again. Cause from the infinite words I can say, I put all the pain you gave to me on display, but didn't realize instead of setting it free, I took what I hated and made it all for me. When it started happening, I'd see you in every thought I had, and then the thoughts slowly found words attached to them, and I knew as they escaped away I was committing myself to them, and every day I regret seeing them. Now I see that I took what I hated and made it a part of me. Never goes away. Never goes away. And now you become a part of me. You'll always be right here. Become a part of me. Never goes away.